everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So we started out from that room right there, pulling out some more fire alarm wire for the fire alarm demo, and then going into the hallway right here, which is one of the biggest nightmares I've ever seen, which was an upside down junction box, which was impossible to get to, and I had to do it without looking at it because of the situation, which was terrible. Pulled out the wire all the way down the hallway right here. There was a duct detector in here somewhere, but we pulled out all the wire down the hallway in the 3/4 inch EMT, and there was the 2 gray wires as always. Here's the mechanical room, which I'll show you in a bit. Once we finished the hallway, we went into the mechanical room right there. So we continued all the way down the hallway, and this is kind of going in reverse. It's actually started at the where I'm walking to right now at the beginning of the day. But anyways, going down this hallway still, pulled out all the wire in between there. And then this is the hallway right here where we started out pulling a piece of wire out right there. And then going on to the other side of the room into this storage kind of closet room, went ahead and pulled out the wire that was in the hallway right there, which came through 390s in like a 2-inch, and then into this giant junction box. I forget what size that is, if it's a 36 by 36 or something like that. But anyways, we pulled the wire back to there, determined it, took it off the terminal blocks up there, and then just took that out. And then in the mechanical room, which was one of the first places I worked the first day that I was here, so back here again, took out all the wiring again, all the wire in here, and then also, as you can see, this was before lunch, so didn't get those 2 taken out yet, which was 2 more TRIs, so we got those taken out and blanked off. And then there was some smoke detectors up here, which was on top of like this air handler duct or whatever, as you can see it right there in the little crack. So we took that one out, which is one of the old ones that was next to one of the new ones that I put in the first day I was there. Took out some more up on the ceiling, which is above all these pipes. You probably can't really see anything because I didn't really get a good angle, but there was like 1 or 2 smoke detectors up there. And then went over here and worked on, as you can see, the new TRIs up there. We went ahead below in this old box, took out all the old TRIs, which were all mounted on a giant plate. So we just unscrewed the plate, climbed up this ladder, and then on top of this other ladder. And then we took out like 4 or 5 more smoke detectors up here, or whatever they call it. I can't remember exactly. I think they're smoke detectors. Then we kind of went down this like sailor ship hallway, took out some more smoke detectors up here, and there's like 3 or 4 more up here, and that pretty much wrapped that up. Just crawling around on top of these air handler ducts, and then taking off the old smoke detectors, blanking them off, and then pulling the wire out, obviously, before we put on the blanks. And then here's all the stuff that we pulled out. There was a few, like I said, a few duct detectors that we finished today, one that we forgot yesterday, another one down here on LL. And then here's all the wire, all the smoke detector heads and stuff like that, all the bases and stuff like that. So this is all the stuff that we took out today, which was a lot, and now we're basically 97% done. Just have like 2 more things to take out tomorrow. We'll be 100% done. And then our boss gave everybody some Nipex linemans, which was pretty sweet. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Peace. Alright, I was going to end the video there, but I want to give you guys an update on my foot. I have not felt any pain in my foot for the last 2 days, so I think we're pretty much back to normal, about 100%, I would say. So everything's great on my foot. I just want to give you guys an update on that, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to check out my new video on my finance channel, which I'm going to work on right now, next, and that'll do it. Peace.